The way you guys have sacrificed to get this gift, we will accept it. Now, so I was with my wife there going like, this young man is embarrassing us. If we have a helicopter, he's saying he doesn't want it because he wants the church. We have a church and a helicopter. All you from there today, you bought a helicopter? You want your father to refuse a helicopter? No, we are adding the church to the helicopter. And not only that, I will be part of the sponsors of this same church we are talking about. I can see the whole side here. I've lost you. Only this and Zoom is what I'm left with. How can we have the best prophet in the world refusing one in favor of the other? We want him to be after church, go to Goshen. Goshen, fly back to church, evening service. The following Monday, ambassador service, which we call ambassadors, which we call diplomatic service. It's all going on like that. Listen to me. In one speech, a lady danced until the king said, I will give you half of my kingdom, or the whole kingdom. Do you